All right. What's up, guys? Um, so let's talk about kind of our first portfolio update. Today is December 13. Now the markets, technically it's the weekend now, right? So yeah, Saturday. So obviously they closed yesterday. We saw some very big gains this month. Overall, we've gained about $30,000 in value. I'm gonna put a screenshot. Um, but yeah, so we've seen a lot of gains today, or I guess on Friday, we had made $3,700. On the week, we're up about, I think about $10,000. I'm gonna put a screenshot. Um, but yeah, so overall, Aris Mining has been continually, outperforming, kind of as I expected. It's my biggest holding. It's my most exciting holding for the long term. I know my portfolio looks very concentrated in two stocks. With time, I do plan to, you know, um, like diversify further. I have a lot of stocks that I plan to buy, but money, you can't just 10,000 here, 20,000 there, 30,000 there. It's kind of hard to diversify. But yeah, so that's why it's so concentrated right now. But yeah, but keep in mind, of this value, $40,000 is margin, right? So if you do the math, 130,000 is mine, about 130,000, like 400 is mine, and then there's like 40,500, which is margin, right? I'll put a screenshot of that too. Um, but yeah, and I've been kind of using margin to buy stock at prices that I really like, just so I can lock in that price. And again, like UNH pays dividends. Most of these pay dividends actively. I think Aris Mining will. So again, yeah. But yeah, so that's kind of my portfolio. I was able to bring my margin from about 46,000 all the way down to 40. Um, and I'm planning to bring it into the 30s, pretty low 30s, maybe then use it slightly more because there's other positions I want to build. But for now, lots of gains. We're up $63,000 all time. We are up $3,700 today or on Friday. So yeah, screenshots, and I hope everybody is having a good day. And yeah, so this is just to kind of, you know, act as